Listen up, brothers and brothettes, cause I got something to say. We're coming at you live at Old Ironsides, April 25th. I actually decided a little bit ago that the toxic tornado needs to take a little time for himself and actually gonna hang up the wrestling boots for a little bit and actually probably learn some Rupert Holmes covers.
Totally, guys. Alright, go.
Isn't that right, Mr. Bike Seat? April 25th, 21 and up. So, if you bring your kids, you might want to stack them on top of each other.
Hey.
You do the little, and then dress them in an overcoat, like in the Little Rascals.
Yeah.
Okay. Or something of that nature. Kyle Tuttle, Christian DeWild, Stoneberry, and Swahili Passion, Swahili Passion.